Good evening, everyone. This is Professor Shiva with you for the session of entrepreneurship development. So, who is an entrepreneur? So, to put it in a simple word, the person who innovates is called an entrepreneur. Here we go. The word entrepreneur is derived from the French verb entreprendre, which means to undertake. The person, according to the French dictionary, we talk about the word means to undertake any business. It may be anything. It may be a medicine field. It may be an academic field. The person must undertake. That is what is called as an entrepreneur. So it's a person who brings together the factors of production and combines them into a product, an end user. That is, when you talk about the factors of production, we are talking about the land, labor, capital and organization. So these are all the four agents which will help us to make an end-use product. Then there's also a word, he organizes and manages a business unit, assuming the risk for the profit. So there must be some profit also. So every business, it aims at some level of profit. It was in a traditional era, but now it is being converted into service motivation. Apart from profit, now we want the service motivation. So the person who aims at profit by bearing all the risks said to be an entrepreneur. Here we go with the characteristics. So the first and foremost quality for all the human beings or an individual is hard work. He must be an hard work. Kalinamana ulaipaliya, he must be there. Then business acumen and sincerity. So whatever work you do, you must be very sincere. Then prudence, some scientific thinking. So ella vishayathukkum he should have some positivity. Achievement and motivation. So when you talk about the term achievement, so the vision must be very clear. What I have to achieve. What is my target today? What is my target for this month? What is the target for this week? This year? What is my target? So you have to fix and you have to move towards the goal. So whether you are reaching or not is secondary, but there must be some achievement level. Next one is self-reliance and independence. So what do you mean by self-reliance? Reliance na nabagatanmai. Thanna patti first அவன் நம்பணும். Then he must be an independent person. He should not be dependent on the other. And the quality அவனுக்கு வேணும். Next, really optimistic na enna? So he must be very thought-provoking person, optimistic person, some future-minded person, some optimistic person he should be there. Next one is keen foresight. So keen foresight na enna? He must be having some vision towards the future. ஒரு விஷன் இருக்கணும் ஃப்யூச்சரை பற்றி இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு planning and organizing ability. Planning and organizing ability. Then innovativeness, risk taking, sincerity, maintain public relation and communication. Next one, qualities of an entrepreneur. He must be an enterprising person, risk bearing, creative thinker, ambitious person, needs high level of achievement, change agent, good organizer and manager, decision maker, strong commitment and firm determination. Next, how can a person be a successful entrepreneur? So first you should put yourself as a leader. So you should aim for that. So when you automatically do that position அப்படின்னா, then you are having the quick profit. You need not worry about the reason. What is the reason for the failure? You want only the values to be analyzed. You must seek some new ideas, especially beyond your field level. என்னால் இவ்வளோ தான் பண்ண முடியும். So don't keep the limits. For you the sky is the limit. So beyond that you can go. ஸோ அந்த ஐடியாஸ் வந்து நம்ம வந்து விண்ணை நோக்கி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்மளோட இதை வந்து ஐடியாஸ் வந்து அந்த மாதிரி க்ரியேட் பண்ணணும். Inspire your team members. You may be the boss, you may be the leader, don't mind about that. You want to inspire your own person, your own team members. Thereby they can also bring some innovation. Then what your client really wants. Client in the sense the customer, he may be a supplier point of view, he may be a customer or whatever person. You must analyze what they need. அவனுக்கு என்ன வேணுங்கிறத நீ தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Then look for results, not for the answers. எதனால இப்படி நடந்ததுன்னு சொல்லி அதை வந்து நீ ஆர்குமெண்ட் பண்ணாத. You want what is the value, what is the end result. That's the thing. Last one to go with is a women entrepreneur. It's a very, very important context. You are looking at this century is a women entrepreneur. ஸோ அவங்க எப்படி இருந்தாங்க, இப்போ எப்படி நம்ம அவங்க வச்சுருக்கோம், பொசிஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிறது you have to see. ஸோ வேர்ல்டையே வந்து ஒரு நிறைய ஆண்டர்பிரினர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஒரு 4-5 ஒரு 10 சம்திங் ஐ ஹவ் கிவன். ஷெரில் சாண்ட்பர்க், ஷீ இஸ் அ வெரி ஃபேமஸ் விமன் ஆண்டர்பிரினர். ஜேகே ரோலிங், சாரா பிளாக்லே, லேடி காகா, சூசன், மெலிண்டா கேட்ஸ், as all knows, Microsoft leading entrepreneur. Indra Nooyi, she is from India, she is a CEO of PepsiCo Limited. And Angela Merkel. So what is the need for this topic or this particular context? I am பேசுறேன்னா, so we as a men, we have all the rights enjoyed by us, right? In the traditional periodலேருந்து நம்ம வந்து நம்ம கெத்தாக நம்ம சுற்றிட்டு இருக்கோம். that is somewhat different. ஸோ நம்ம இப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறோம் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் முக்கியம். what we are doing at this context. So we have given freedom to all women, whatever field it may be. They are giving excellence. It may be from Kalpana Chawla, maybe from your own, your mothers can also be there. They are also homepreneurs. They are also excelling in all the field, right from transportation till the science level, till the airspace. They are excelling in all the fields. So how it has happened? We have given some freedom. They have limited. They have not limited their space. For them, the sky is the limit. So they have removed all the clutches from the society. They have outbreak all the clutches of the society, the traditional era. Adilirundu they have come out of that. Okay, that is what is women entrepreneurs all about. So thank you for your patient listening. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.